How to turn off Instagram Map. In this tutorial, I will show you step-by-step how to turn off the Instagram Map. The first step is to open the Settings application on your phone. Once you are on the Settings page, scroll down slowly and look for the option named Privacy and Security. Go ahead and tap on it. On the next page, you will see several privacy-related options for your device. From these, tap on the option named Location Services. Once you are on the Location Services page, scroll through the list of applications that have access to your location. From this list, look for Instagram and tap on it. When you tap on Instagram, you will be taken to another page with several options such as Never, Ask Next Time, or When I Share, while using the app, and Always. If you want to completely turn off the map, then make sure you select the option named Never. This way, Instagram will no longer have access to your location, and the map feature will be disabled. You can also choose other options like while using the app, if you only want Instagram to use your location when the app is open, but avoid using Always. By doing this, you will be able to control your privacy and stop Instagram from tracking your location continuously. The process is easy to follow. I hope this tutorial has helped you turn off Instagram Maps successfully. Make sure you like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks! That is how to turn off Instagram Map.